So you have the Zinus Ellie bamboo bed frame, and in this video, I'm going to go over the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. The questions I was seeing is, what is the assembly time like? Do you need a box spring for this mattress? And the third question I was seeing is, does this thing make noise when you're laying on it? So I'm going to answer all those for you, and like I said, hopefully help you out. But for that first question, what is the assembly time like? I got a video going in the corner where I kind of outline that whole process, but I was able to get this done in like 30 minutes. There's really only 3 steps to it. You put the outer frame together, you put the cross inner support beams in, and you just lay down the slats, and these are all connected, and they just Velcro on. So it's a super simple process, basically 3 steps, and I got it done by myself in about 30 minutes. So overall, very easy. And now for the second question is, do you need a box spring on this? You do not need a box spring. As you can see, there's slats all the way down, so you can just put your mattress right on here. If you do want to use a box spring, you definitely could put a box spring on here and make your bed sit a little bit higher if that's what you like, but you do not need a box spring with this bed frame if you don't want one or don't have one. And now for the last question is, does this make noise? And this is like the biggest one. In the past, I had a full metal kind of platform bed frame just like this, but all metal, and that thing squeaked all the time. I hated it. It annoyed me so much. And that's why I went with a wooden one this time, and I've been sleeping on it the last couple nights. This thing is as quiet as can be. It's wood all the way through. The slats are completely wood. They have foam here, so that it's just wood sitting on a foam. So there's really nothing that can make noise, and the corners are all wood as well too. So like I said, it's been completely quiet for me the past 3 nights, which is exactly what I wanted. That was a big problem I had with my last one, and this one definitely fixed that for me. But this was exactly what I wanted. It was affordable, easy to put together, doesn't make any noise. So overall, I'm super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.